Hello everyone, how to solve this problem for the values of x if we have x square over 5 is equals to 5 over x square, and we solve this problem for the values of x. So in this problem we find all the roots of this equation. So here the very first thing we are going to do is here first we cross multiply the terms, and we multiply this 5 with this 5, and we multiply this x square with this x square. So after cross multiplying the terms, it will be written as x square multiplied by x square is equals to, this is 5 multiplied by 5. And now here in the next step, you see here we have x square multiplied by x square is equals to x square and its whole square, because you know that if we multiply 2 with 2, it will be written as 2 square. So according to this rule, we write x square multiply x square as x square and its whole square. So in the same pattern, we multiply 5 with 5, and it will be written as 5 square. So further in the next step, we need to move this 5 square in the left hand side, and it will be written as x square and its whole square. This is positive term. When we move in the left hand side, it will becomes negative, and this whole equation is equals to 0. So further in the next step, we need to use here the nice algebraic formula. You know about that. If we have a square minus b square is equals to a minus b times of a plus b. So you see here the base of this term is our a and the base of this term is our b. So we just put these two values of a and b into this equation. Okay, so after substituting these two values, this will be written as, first we have a minus b. Here our a is x square minus b is 5 into, again we have a plus b, so a is x square plus b is 5, and this whole equation is equals to 0. So in the next step, we break this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write x square minus 5 is equals to 0, and the second case is we write x square plus 5 is equals to 0. So from this case, we easily get the value of x square is equals to 5, and from here we again move this plus 5 to the right hand side, and it will becomes minus 5. So in order to find the values of x on both of these cases, we will take the square root on both of the sides in this form. Okay, so here we take a square root on both of the sides, and you know that when we apply square root on both of the sides, we will write here plus minus sign any one of the sides. So this 2 and this square root are gone, and we write here our x is equals to plus minus square root of 5. So these are the two real root of the given equation, and from here this 2 and this square root are gone, and we get here our x is equals to, here we know that when negative sign appears inside the square root, it will becomes iota. So we get here x is equals to plus minus 5 times of iota. So these are the other two complex roots of the given equation. So finally we have there are 4 roots of the given equation, in which the 2 roots are real roots and the 2 roots are complex or imaginary roots. So in the next step, we need to verify these roots, and we check that is these roots are satisfied our given question statement or not. For this we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is x square over 5 is equals to 5 over x square, and here we verify the roots x is equals to plus minus square root of 5, and here we verify the complex roots, that is plus minus square root of 5 iota. So now here we need to first we need to substitute these two roots on both of the sides of this equation, and we check its behavior. So when we put this here, it will be written as plus minus square root of 5 whole square is divided by 5 is equals to, this is 5 divided by x square, and our x is plus minus square root of 5 whole square. Here you know that when we take the square of negative term, it will becomes here positive. So this 2 and this square root are gone, and we will get here from here we get 5 divided by 5 is equals to, in the same pattern from here we get this negative sign. After taking square, this negative sign also becomes positive, and that this 2 and this square root are gone, and we again get here 5, and we need to cancel the terms. This 5 and this 5 are gone, and you get here 1 is equals to, this 5 and this 5 are also gone, and here we get again 1. So these are the this shows that left hand side is equals to right hand side. So this means that x equals to plus minus 5 be the two solutions of the given equation. And now here in the same pattern we verify the complex roots, and now we put these two roots here, and it will be written as plus minus square root of 5 iota and its whole square divided by 5 is equals to 5 divided by plus minus square root of 5 iota and its whole square. And in the next step, you see here again the square of negative term become positive. The square root of 5 equals to 5 only, and here we write the square of iota. This is iota square divided by 5 is equals to, here we have 5 divided by, this is this negative sign becomes positive after taking the square, and this square root of 5 becomes only 5, and the iota square becomes iota square. So this 2 and this 5 and this 5 are gone, this 5 and this 5 are also gone, and you get here iota square is equals to iota square. But in other words, we know that iota square is equals to minus 1 is equals to minus 1. So this shows that the value of x is equals to plus minus square root of 5 is also satisfied our given question statement. So these are the four solutions of the given equation. This is the final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.